Dear friends, I'm Yoshi Terauchi. Today I'm pleased to bring you our latest and game changer 812MT, the worldwide unique Endomotor and apex locator with sonic vibration that I developed with Woodpecker. The design was inspired by the unique supercar, Ferrari. It has three main functions: vibration, rotation, and apex locators. The 812MT has a unique features: rotation plus sonic vibration. In combining them, both approaches will assist the MTA obturation. We have sonic vibrations for void removal and further condensation and irrigation and facilitation of bypassing the ledge. I started wondering why the cases I treated with Garapacha and the sealer failed. Then I came up with the idea, if I fill the root canal with MTA, because every time I did the surgery, I used MTA as a retrofilling material. So if I use MTA as a ortho-grade filling material, I could have the same result. That's how I came up with this idea. So since 2010, when I completely stopped using Garapacha and the sealer, I started filling the root canal with MTA. My success rate jumped up significantly. But there are some problems using MTA as a root filling material. First, it's very difficult to fill the root canal with MTA. It's not like a Garapacha and the sealer. So when I obturated the root canal manually with MTA, I used my hand. I used the hand instrument. It took lots of time. T-mode has two modes. Actually, you can control the first mode and the second mode. So the first mode is usually watch winding motion, 90-degree watch winding motion, rotating the file clockwise and counterclockwise. Then the second mode will be whatever mode you like. Usually, I use counterclockwise rotation, because if you want to obturate the root canal with MTA, you need a counterclockwise rotation to deliver MTA into the apical directions. So I used T-mode initially to obturate the root canal with MTA. However, sometimes I got voids in the MTA fillings, and I used ultrasonics to remove voids. And that was another problem. So I really thought about how to remove the voids. Then I came up with ultrasonics and sonics. MT has many features, like it has sonic vibration, and it has T-mode plus. If you get voice, then you can use clockwise rotation with sonics, because with sonics, you can easily remove voice. If you don't have voice, you can continue using counterclockwise rotation with sonics. Then use a small up and down motion until you see the reading going from apex to 0.5. That is the end of the MTA obturation in the apical 1/3. So with the T-mode plus, you can use the different purpose. For example, if you want to bypass the ledge, you can use the, again, watch winding motion. That is 90-degree watch winding motion. And it has a sonic vibration. So with sonics, you see small vibrating instrument. So because of the small vibrating instrument, you can get into the original canal over the ledge. Once you are in the original canal, you feel sticky. Then you will rotate the file clockwise, or you can reciprocate the instrument depending on the curvature. If it's more than 30 degrees, I usually use the reciprocating motion. 380 degrees clockwise, 50 degrees counterclockwise at 100 RPM. So this way, you can prevent instrument fracture, you can prevent ledge formation. So this is how I bypass the ledge. Another thing that is very interesting is if you instrument the root canal with sonics, it acts like an endo activators. So this is a vibration. So you can touch many walls with sonic vibrations. So that's why every time I instrument the root canal, I use sonics. Then, of course, if you are instrumenting a crazy curvature, sonics will reduce cyclic fatigue. So I want to instrument the root canal with sonics for the crazy curvature. So this is another thing that I consider very good if you use 812MT. 812MT has a very nice feature that is brushless motors. 812MT is just like an AI motor. It is a brushless motor. So about 10 times more service time of the compared to the brush motors. So it has a longer life because AI motor and 812MT motor is a brushless motor. So that's why I love it. So it's very good. It will last many, many years, and it's not very expensive compared to other brands. So I love it. There are many, many features that you can use. By activating the T-Mode Plus, preparation and usage of the apex locator and adding vibration, we will have the designed RC treatment. So I want everybody to use 812MT, and your success rate will jump up almost 100% if there is no extra-radicular infection. So do it today now. Then your life will be completely different in a good way. Thank you very much.